Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is September 11th of 2018. And today is a very important day in history, in American history, because today is the day that we had an attack on New York City, which was the Twin Towers, so the World Trade Center. So that happened many years ago, and many before you were even born. But I'm sure that's something that your parents probably have talked about at some point in time. So we had lots of brave individuals that had talked about and also lived during that time period and also served our country after that to make sure that we have the country that we have today to stay safe. So 9/11 is a very important day in our history today. And that's something maybe you can talk to your parents about where they were at 9/11, and maybe they can kind of fill you in with some additional information for history about it too. So today, at today's Moments of Silence, I would like you to think of about like September 11th and all the people who helped out saving people that day to make sure that people stayed safe. So we will get to our moment of silence at the end like we normally do. All right, for announcements, we have early dismissal that is happening this Wednesday at 1:05. So it actually tomorrow, so that is happening. So make sure you remind your parents about that. We do have a PTCO meeting happening after school today at 3 o'clock. And for our September birthdays, for September 11th, so happy birthday, Kevin Wedekin. It is your birthday today. Have a wonderful day. Our lunch choices for today, we have Chicago-style hot dog, beef nachos, or parfait with graham crackers, along with seasoned carrot coins, cucumber coins. We have lots of money in the menu today. Crispy romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, and applesauce, or milk. And today for our role play for pause, we have a situation today that happens all the time. Actually, I saw it happen like 3 different times yesterday about someone getting out of line and then trying to cut in front of the line. So today's example shows what one student did to kind of redirect that student to get them to the appropriate place. Alright, as you saw Kobe here redirect the person to kind of get back to the part in line, which is something that he did, but there's a couple things here I would like you to think about. One, it's never good to cut in line. So you get in your spot, you get to your point, you get to your place. The other thing I would say too, as Kobe was really good about his words, hey, you need to make sure you stay in your spot, we're all getting to the same place. But I would not recommend touching the individual. I would not touch the student. I would use your words and just tell them nicely, could you please go back to where you were or go to the end of the line, please? So touching is usually not a good idea to kind of redirect because many people take that the wrong way. All right, for our moment of silence today, remember today's September 11th. Let's take a moment right now for a moment of silence. Thank you very much. And I did put a special picture up here today. It's a very important picture because this is something that happened right after the World Trade Center fell. That we had firefighters and actually volunteer firefighters raise the American flag. So it only makes sense today that we kind of put that picture as we do our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be doing our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure that you're standing. Hand over your heart, please. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, guys. Thank you. Awesome Pledge of Allegiance today. All right, guys, it's Tuesday. Have a great day. I'm sure I'll see many of you out in the hallways in just a little bit, but have a good one. Choices are yours. Make good ones. I'm sure all of you can do it, and have a great day.